What's up, you guys? I got the new Western Rise Airloft. This is a breathable outdoors jacket. Are all jackets outdoors jackets? They call it a high-performance, temperature-regulating, breathable insulated jacket and say that it's, quote, built for every day, no matter the weather, season, or occasion, and that it beautifully blends peak outdoor style and performance and sleek urban style. Now, truth is, I used the schnitzel out of their previous version of this jacket. You've seen me do lots of videos in this, maybe, and I've gotten lots of comments on it over time. It's one of my favorite jackets. So the updated version, what are my takes on it? Well, first of all, same great flavor, right? That breathability and the durability on the outside. This water just sloughs right off of this thing, right? Dirt, pretty dang dirt resistant. I love the sort of the aesthetic of this. It feels like it is like kind of an urban style thing, even though I can be out and about in nature with it. This is my only puffy right now. I have traveled full time for the last almost 3 years, and for most of that I've used the first version of this jacket. This is a little bit updated, a little bit sleeker. It's got a nice like tapered, sort of tailored fit on the sides. I love that we have hand pockets. I live for hand pockets in jackets. It's just that thing where you just kind of chill and put your hands down. It's like you don't have to worry about you don't have to worry about your hands. Are you worrying about your hands? They added a couple things. Zips from the bottom now as well as the top. This can be useful for bike riding. They've got some elastic pulls in the top so you can cinch down the hood if you need to. Also elastic pulls down at the bottom to cinch that around your waist. There's a media pocket, like a perfect phone pocket here on the left breast on the inside. There's also a pocket right on the outside in the back, almost like a bike rider's pocket with a nice tiny little zipper that's never in the way. This jacket apparently can fold up into that pocket. I haven't done that yet because I don't fold up my jackets. I mean, you could use it as like a little travel pillow when you go, but for me, my jackets are always sort of tucked into the straps on my bag. They're thrown over the back of the car seat, that kind of thing. There is no external branding anywhere on this thing. Thanks, Western Rise. Makes you feel like clean, like you work for the resistance or something. I do like these nice sleeves. It's something that I noticed in the first one. These ones maybe are a little bit updated, and there's something about it that just, like the movement in these things, it feels good, nice and like stretchy enough, but durable enough. You can kind of be active in this jacket, which feels good, which brings me to this idea of the breathability. One of the things that anybody who's used a puffy jacket knows is puffy jackets don't tend to breathe very much at all. You've got that nylon, everything gets wet and sweaty on the inside, and you can be kind of cold because of that. I've used it in really warm temperatures. You're still gonna sweat. The good thing is, once you start sweating, you do notice that your wind can kind of get through. You can kind of cool yourself off. It regulates your temperature a little bit better. I've noticed that with several of their jackets that I've had. Western Rise, Telluride, Colorado. These are some wizards of materials, and they did a great job with this thing because you don't have a bunch of seams that let in water or let in wind. This is a killer. This is a really killer jacket, and it's on Kickstarter right now. Wanted to let you know my take on this. Any of you who are looking for a great jacket for the coming winter season, this is one of my picks. I like to have some more casual stuff sometimes, not just like this like all black bomber jacket. I'm using the medium. Last time I had a small. I think I might trade this in for a small because it'll fit a little bit more svelte, and it's got nice movability and stretch, so your mileage may vary there. I like to have a few jackets during the winter time. I really do. Some like sweaters, fleece. I always like to have the pockets, but this is one of them that I've used last season just so much. The previous version of this jacket, I mean, and I love it. So, shout out to Western Rise for making good stuff for modern, active lifestyle people, Michelob Ultra people, rollerblade to work people. But these guys make stuff for, the boardroom as well as running on trails and getting out into wilderness, because if you're not getting out into the wilderness, how are you supposed to get wild? Know what I mean? Links below support the channel, and hope you find something warm for this season. Probably you already have it. You don't have to buy shit to like feel good about yourself. If you do get this, clean some stuff out of your closet, right? Nothing feels better than living minimally, having everything that you need, but not a bunch of junk. You know the feeling of when you can like clean out your closet, clean out the garage, do some storage stuff. You have different ideas afterwards. You will have more clarity. I don't know how your life is right now, but I could use some clarity, some focus on my life, some figuring out what do I want to be about, what do I want to be spending my time doing. Shout out to you. Thanks for watching. Vaya con Dios. Be yourself. Everyone else is taken. Bye.